The main two markets we have for E-grade products are electronic industry and the battery industry. For electronics, people are having these devices smaller and smaller. That means all the chemical used in the process have to be really clean with very low impurities. Huntsman Performance product has a great product line. We have many chemicals, and to move them to the E-grade level means we need to reduce the impurities in them, both the organic impurities and the metal impurities. And this will make our customer be able to make higher quality products and also lower failure rates.
Our customers are really excited to see this EGU investment from Huntsman, because for them, that's more quality insurance. And we control not only the upstream, like how we produce the chemical, but we also control the metal level to their increasing demand. So they have less concern about other contaminations.
We are willing to work with our customers, and we are willing to talk with them to really understand what they need and to reduce the costs in the manufacturing process as well, to make our product high quality as well as affordable at the same time.